Arrive in style with this Ford 2019 F-150. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, conventional spare tire, tow hooks, intermittent wipers and variable speed intermittent wipers. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.